In the world of technology, some companies work quietly behind the scenes, shaping the very foundation of our digital lives. These are the unsung heroes, rarely in the spotlight, yet absolutely essential to the devices and systems we rely on every day. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, to brewing coffee or driving to work, their innovations power our daily routines without fanfare or recognition. Nexperia, based in the Netherlands, is one such company, a global leader in essential semiconductors that make modern electronics possible. Unlike the flashy processors that grab headlines, Nexperia's basic chips quietly handle power management, signal conversion, and circuit protection. They're found in everything from cars and smartphones to coffee makers and medical devices, ensuring reliability and safety. In the automotive sector, Nexperia is indispensable, supplying about 40% of chips to European car makers and dominating certain global markets. Their components are the backbone of modern vehicles, enabling advanced safety features and efficient energy use. A disruption at Nexperia can halt production lines worldwide, underscoring its critical role in the supply chain. Even a brief shortage can ripple across industries, affecting everything from car deliveries to consumer electronics. Though rooted in Europe, Nexperia was acquired by China's Wingtech Technology in 2019, blending European design expertise with Chinese manufacturing power. This partnership aimed to boost efficiency and global reach. Most wafers are made in Europe, but 80% are sent to China for final processing, a setup that created both efficiency and vulnerability. This global workflow keeps costs down, but also exposes the company to geopolitical risks. As tensions between the West and China rose, Nexperia's dual identity put it at the center of a global tech conflict. Questions about security, supply chain control, and national interest began to swirl. The company soon became a symbol of the struggle for technological supremacy and the fragility of global supply chains. Its story highlights how interconnected and vulnerable our digital world truly is. Nexperia's quiet presence was about to make global headlines, as the world realized just how much depended on this unsung hero of the digital age. Semiconductor chips are the invisible engines of modern life, powering everything from supercomputers to checkout scanners. Their creation requires vast investment, specialized expertise, and a global supply chain. Chips have become assets of national security, with countries racing to secure their own supply and technological edge. The US and China are locked in a fierce competition, pouring billions into domestic chip industries. The supply chain is global. Raw materials, design, manufacturing, and testing span continents. This interdependence maximized efficiency but also created vulnerabilities, as the Nexperia crisis revealed. Now, governments face a choice: maintain a fragile global system, or pursue costly technological sovereignty. The battle over chips is shaping the future of the world economy. The stakes have never been higher. On September 30, 2025, the Dutch government made a bold and unprecedented move by seizing Nexperia from its Chinese owner Wingtech, citing urgent national security concerns. This dramatic intervention marked a turning point in Europe's approach to foreign ownership of critical technology firms. Dutch officials feared that advanced semiconductor technology could be transferred to China, potentially undermining both national security and the stability of Europe's vital chip supply chain. The stakes were high, as semiconductors are essential for everything from smartphones to cars. The government's decision followed months of growing suspicion, fueled by allegations of financial misconduct and questionable business practices by Wingtech's CEO, which only deepened concerns about the company's intentions. These suspicions were amplified by the US government's decision to blacklist Wingtech, further isolating the company on the global stage and raising alarms across Europe. In response, the Dutch authorities suspended Wingtech's CEO, removing him from all operational control and sending a clear message about the seriousness of their concerns. The government then placed Nexperia under direct state control, signaling a decisive shift away from free trade principles toward prioritizing national security and technological sovereignty. This extraordinary action sent shockwaves through the global business community, upending expectations and directly challenging Beijing's ambitions in Europe. For years, China had quietly acquired key technology firms across Europe, expanding its influence and access to advanced innovation. Now, Western governments were finally pushing back, determined to protect their most strategic industries from foreign control and interference. The Dutch seizure set a powerful new precedent for defending strategic assets, making it clear that national interests would come before global business deals. This move fundamentally changed the risk calculus for international investors, forcing companies and governments alike to rethink their strategies in a rapidly shifting geopolitical landscape. The global technology war had reached a new and more intense level, with Europe now taking a much more active role. Nexperia had become a flashpoint in the escalating struggle for control over the world's most critical technologies, and the world was watching closely. The Dutch seizure of Nexperia triggered immediate chaos in the global automotive supply chain. Nexperia halted wafer shipments to its Chinese facility, severing a vital production link. With 80% of chips processed in China, global deliveries stopped overnight. Major automakers like Honda, Ford, and Volkswagen faced crippling shortages, forcing plant shutdowns and production cuts. The just-in-time manufacturing model left companies with no buffer for such a shock. The crisis rippled through economies, impacting workers and suppliers worldwide. The Nexperia disruption exposed the fragility of global supply chains. A single point of failure brought a multi-trillion-dollar industry to its knees. Companies and governments were forced to rethink their sourcing and risk strategies. The price of efficiency was now painfully clear. Beijing's response to the Dutch takeover was swift and forceful. China condemned the move, imposed export restrictions, and ordered Nexperia's Chinese unit to ignore Dutch directives. Wingtech had prepared for this, securing local wafer supplies and building a new fab in Shanghai. The Chinese unit declared operational independence, transforming into a self-sufficient entity. This two-entity strategy allowed China to bypass Western controls and maintain chip production. The move showcased China's determination to achieve technological self-reliance. It also set a precedent for Chinese units of Western firms to split off in future crises. The conflict had evolved into a real-world test of economic decoupling. China's rapid adaptation sent a clear message: it could build its own tech ecosystem. The global technology landscape was fracturing before the world's eyes. By late 2025, the economic fallout from the Nexperia crisis was unsustainable for all sides. A high-level US-China agreement paved the way for a temporary truce. China allowed limited chip exports from its now independent Nexperia facility, while the Netherlands eased some controls. The arrangement was a ceasefire, not a resolution. Most shipments remained suspended, and the auto industry continued to struggle. Legal battles raged in Dutch courts and international arbitration, keeping Nexperia's fate uncertain. Both sides remained entrenched. The Netherlands defended its actions as national security, while China called it economic warfare. The truce bought time, but not trust. The Nexperia saga remained a volatile flashpoint in the global tech rivalry. The world watched, knowing the conflict was far from over. Beyond basic chips, the Nexperia conflict highlighted the fight over advanced technologies, especially AI semiconductors. Dutch courts had already blocked Nexperia from exporting certain high-end chips to China, citing national security risks. These controls were part of a broader Western effort to limit China's access to cutting-edge tech. The distinction between basic and advanced chips is now central to global power struggles. Advanced AI chips enable breakthroughs in everything from medicine to military systems. Western governments are drawing strict lines, restricting China's access to these technologies. The Nexperia case shows how hard it is to enforce such policies in a globalized industry. Ownership and control of tech companies are now seen as matters of national security. The Nexperia saga signals a profound shift in the global order, marking a move away from decades of increasing globalization toward a world now defined by national interest and technological sovereignty. What was once a seamless web of international cooperation is now unraveling as countries prioritize control over critical technologies and resources. Economic interdependence, once celebrated as a path to peace and prosperity, has become a source of tension and even conflict. The very ties that bound nations together are now being tested by rising suspicion and protectionism. The crisis has accelerated economic decoupling, with nations urgently reshoring critical industries, tightening export controls, and scrutinizing foreign investment like never before. Governments are taking unprecedented steps to safeguard their technological futures. For the West, the Dutch seizure set a powerful precedent for government intervention in strategic sectors, signaling a willingness to act decisively in the name of national security. For China, the rapid Sinification of Nexperia's operations became a model for technological independence, inspiring a new wave of domestic innovation and self-reliance. Companies must now navigate a fractured landscape, where politics and policy dictate access to markets, technology, and even talent, the rules of global business are being rewritten in real time. The risk of asset seizures, sudden regulatory changes, and supply chain disruptions is now a daily reality for multinational firms. The world may be heading toward two competing tech spheres, one led by the US and its allies, the other by China and its partners, each with its own standards, supply chains, and innovation ecosystems. This digital divide could stifle innovation, raise costs for consumers and businesses alike, and fuel new conflicts as nations compete for technological dominance. The battle over a single chipmaker has exposed deep global fault lines that will shape the future of technology, economics, and geopolitics for years, if not decades, to come.